E-commerce websites are more popular now than ever before. During Cyber Monday in 2019, online sales peaked at $9.4 billion in one day, according to Adobe figures. It's hard to deny the wild success of shopping online, especially since we all can make purchases directly from our smartphones. But there's a problem. The increase in online shopping has led to hackers and scammers taking advantage of businesses that are not protected. Damage control in this situation can range from difficult to impossible. Enable multi-factor authentication. We once fantasized that technology would make it to the point where passwords were obsolete. There's a chance we might make it to that point someday, but we are certainly not there today. For now, you should enable multi-factor authentication for all of your employees and management. Multi-factor authentication requires you to use 2 or more methods at the same time to log in. For example, you have to enter your password and then enter a code that is sent to your cell phone or email address. The extra step is designed to prevent a brute force attack. Back up your website. Website backups are the only way to feel confident that you'll be able to recover your business in the event of an attack. Some hackers break into a website and shut it down, just for the sake of causing stress to companies and customers. Other cybercriminals are looking for personal information that they can sell to the highest bidder. When your website falls victim to an attack, you have to shut it down to prevent compromising sensitive information and ruining your reputation. There are several ways to back up your website, including cloud-based solutions. Don't keep sensitive user information on file. Hackers generally have 2 targets when they break into a website. The first thing they look for is information on consumers. If you keep credit card numbers of your customers on file, there's a good chance that cybercriminals will get their hands on this information if they make it past your security. The second target hackers go after is the business owner and employees, who all have sensitive information on their website as part of their jobs. It's hard to avoid keeping employee data and your banking information on your website.